Welcome back to the channel. I am Crypto Troll, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrency. And today, man, we're going to talk about a new project on Harmony One's blockchain. It's called Tranquil Finance, and it's pretty much the first lending platform on Harmony One. We know Fuzz is also doing a lending project as well, but these two are the first two projects on Harmony One that has, officially announced that they will do lending on the platform. So a lot of people have been asking me to do a video about it. So I'm going to do a video and show you guys also how you can get in on the ICO before the 31st. But today, man, before we get into that, make sure you follow me on Twitter. This is where you can get directly in contact with me. And I know I'm talking a little crazy, but y'all, I gotta say, I got my wisdom teeth pulled, man, and it's like a piece of a tooth just stabbing my tongue, and it hurts so bad. But I gotta get this content out here, man. I gotta put this content out here. I might go to the dentist tomorrow because sheesh, boy, this is some pain. But like I said, this is my purpose. I gotta get this information out here no matter what. And also, we're doing the NFT giveaway still for a Harmonite, man. So if you want a Harmonite, if you don't own an NFT already, this is the perfect way you can start investing in NFTs, and it's free, man. All you have to do is follow the instructions and just go on my Twitter page and follow everything you see on that tweet to enter in for a chance to win a Harmonite One, man. And also make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I appreciate everybody for tapping in, and we're going to get straight into it like this. So Tranquil Finance, man, this is the platform. This is where you can access the site. But the first thing I want to show, just the Twitter page, the mainnet launches on October 31st. So right now they're doing a pre-sale of the coins, and I'm going to actually get into that pre-sale as well, man. So it's going to be an exciting day on Web 3.0. But just some quick little notes. We see that they sold 8.5 million xTRANQ so far, and I believe every one xTRANQ is or will be available to swap for one Tranquil after 6 months. But I'm gonna get more in detail when I go onto the actual website. So let's get into it, man. I want to read the white paper just a tad bit first too. So this is the Tranquil Finance app right here, man. You see we have the launch app, the testnet, then you can buy the token, then you got the docs and the app. So right now, let's just go to the docs for right now. I do want to go over just a tad bit of the white paper. Like I say, the white paper is where you get the sauce, man. That's where you actually learn about the project. When people tell you do your own research, that means reading the white paper, and reading is fundamental, guys. Don't let nobody tell you anything different. Reading is fundamental. So you want to read that white paper to know what in the hell you are investing in, man. Some people just jump in cryptos, don't even know what's the utility of it. Just know that their best friend told them that somebody else told them that the price is going to go up. So anytime you get into crypto, make sure you always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. People on YouTube are not financial advisors. So always do your own research before you invest in anything. So Tranquil Finance, pretty much it allows users to supply and borrow assets while receiving or paying interest in a completely permissionless, decentralized way. Borrowing and lending interest is set based on market demand, and loans are over collateralized to ensure solvency. So this pretty much is a fork of the compound protocol on ETH without the high gas fee. So that's pretty much Tranquil Finance is. It's a fork of compound protocol on ETH without the gas fees. And we know how big compound got, man. And we know that ETH gas fees are like extremely still high, man. It's gonna continue to go up in my personal opinion. They always keep talking about ETH 2.0, but when is ETH 2.0 coming out actually? So we know currently Harmony lacks a money market protocol, which is critical component of DeFi ecosystem on every blockchain. So this will be something new to Harmony's blockchain. That's why I'm personally going to invest in it, because we need something like a lending platform on Harmony One's blockchain, man. So that's pretty much the gist of it. And the mainnet is going to go live on October 31st, and that's on Halloween this Sunday, man. So I'm very excited to see the mainnet go live. So let's see. FAQs. Is Tranquil Finance safe? So it's pretty, like I said, it's forked from Compound protocol with minimum changes. And deeply battle tested and audited. So this platform is audited with formal verifications of its contract. Well, I'm sorry, they plan to get audited as soon as possible. So I'm looking forward to that audit as well. So what is the Tranquil token? The Tranquil token is the protocol token of the Tranquil Finance. By staking Tranquil, it entitles the holder to 75% of the fees generated by the protocol. So 75% of the fees will be given to Tranquil holders, man. So where can you buy Tranquil? So right now you only can do or buy xTRANQ, and that's on the ICO page, and it's still a public sale, so anybody can buy it. But right now they are not offering an opportunity to buy Tranquil. I believe it's one Tranquil equal one xTRANQ equals one Tranquil, I believe. But it's on the next page. Don't quote me on that right now. So currently the test net app does not support mobile, but it is a feature they will be looking forward to in the main net. So we already know this is pretty much the vision. You can read this for yourself. I'm not gonna go over the entire vision, man. But basically, the end goal is to be a decentralized FTX, man. So that's the end goal of it. If you want to read the white paper, you can go and read it yourself. I already read it, so I already know what it says, but I'm not finna read it word by word. But you know the gist. The gist of it is they are looking to be a decentralized FTX. And we know how big FTX got. So the roadmap currently right now, so near term Q4, the green checks are, of course, what they completed. So they announced the project. They did the token sale. The token sale is currently going on right now. So currently we are looking at the main net launch, preparing for October 31st. And I'm super excited to see what the main net launch has to offer. And then you got the Tranquil staking, allow holders to stake their Tranquil to earn protocol fees, and that's coming very, very soon after the mainnet launch. Then you're going to see the app experience as far as mobile devices, and security audits, build a team, engage the ecosystem, find product market fit. They even had a roadmap for Q1 to Q2 of 2022, and then develop liquid staking token, decentralized governance, grow the ecosystem, and then we have centralized exchange listening. Then we got the long term, so under collateralized use cases, you got options, futures, perpetual swap, and then progressive decentralization made Tranquil thrive and grow with decentralized yet robust governance. So I'm very excited just because we know how big Compound is, and I believe Tranquil can do the same thing, especially with it having low fees and fast transaction speeds by being on the Harmony One's blockchain. So something else that is very important to me, we always want to look at the tokenomics, man. So boom, the tokenomics we see here, we already know by staking Tranquil, it entitles the holder to 75% of the fees generated by the protocol. But right now, you can only purchase xTRANQ. Total supply is 1 billion tokens, man. So it's a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And then this is the token distribution. We see 50% of it is going to incentives, such as borrowing, lending, providing liquidity, and airdrops. 5% will be offered at launch through the token public sale. 5% goes to seed funding, 10% to the team, 2% to liquidity, and 28% to treasury. So what really caught my attention was the 50% reserved for incentives. That already kind of locks up a lot of Tranquil. And since it's only a billion, that literally puts it at a roughly 500 million, in my opinion, since 5 of it will be reserved for borrowing, lending, providing liquidity, and airdrops. And also, this is a hard cap, man. So that's very exciting to see as well. With that hard cap, I'm very excited to see what they will do moving on forward. So with the emissions, they didn't commit to a hard emission curve, but instead, our philosophy is to carefully balance the expansion of the token supply with the incentive rewards for attracting liquidity and users. The xTRANQ public sale is an example of this philosophy in action. So based on the experiences of other incentive programs from other protocols, rewards are often formed and dumped by huge funds who often have no interest in the long term of the project itself. We expect the allocation for incentive rewards to last at least 4 years. So yeah, that's something big, man. Just I like that they locking it up for 6 months. I know that on other protocols, it's been like crazy pump and dumps, especially on forums. But a lot of people don't understand that a lot of these projects will change the world. So if you hold your money in it longer, the more you will make. But that's not financial advice, because some projects are just pump and dumps. You got to kind of know which ones are, or do your research and try your best to stay away from them. But just being in the space so early, it's kind of hard. You just got to kind of really do your research and do your due diligence, man. So the xTRANQ public sale, so it will be a maximum of 50 million xTRANQ, a token which is redeemable 1-for-1 for TRANQ after a 6-month lockup. So 1-for-1 after 6 months. And your xTRANQ can be staked to earn TRANQ over time, man. So that's going to be cool. You can earn TRANQ and stay with your xTRANQ. And then after 6 months, you can trade it 1-for-1. So that's what I plan on doing. There will be 25 million TRANQ tokens allocated for staking rewards, which will be linearly emitted over a 12-month period. So they are doing this to smoothly distribute the supply of TRANQ over time, preventing a huge amount of the token from being introduced to the market at once. xTRANQ staking rewards will gradually provide stakers with a steady supply of TRANQ in addition to their redeemable TRANQ after lockup. We believe this design promotes healthier market dynamics. And I kind of like that as well, man, because we've seen a lot of projects doing the same thing. But I like that 6-month lockup. I don't like that whole year lockup. 6 months, that's cool to me. I can wait 6 months. I can wait a year or two. Don't get me wrong. I'm not impatient, because usually investments take longer than that to appreciate. But this is crypto. And like I said, 6 months, I like that. So, I'm really liking the tokenomics of this project. I like that it's a lending project. It pretty much has a gist of where they are trying to go and just be a decentralized FTX. And in my opinion, that's going to be major in the future moving forward. So yes, I do and will buy this token, man. So let's get into the good stuff, man. So now we are on the page. Let me show you guys how to get to this page. So click on the Tranquil Finance and you just hit buy token. And once you hit buy token, it should take you to this page, the ICO page of Tranquil Finance. And currently we see it's 8.9 million tokens sold, and it's 561% APR, man. So right now I got like 2,000 tokens. And if my math is right, by the end of my staking, or when it goes down, I should be right at 10,000 tokens, man, or 10,000 xTRANQ tokens. So what I'm going to do is, what you want to do is for the ICO, man, you want to have your MetaMask wallet loaded up. And then pretty much I'm going to do the max. I'm going to do about 1745. That's how many tokens I will get if I do my 21021. So I'm going to buy Tranquil X. So it's confirming right now. I'm buying it. So now it has been confirmed. It has been confirmed currently. So currently I have 1745 Tranquil or xTRANQ. So now what I want to do is I want to stake, man. I want to stake my Tranquil. I want to stake the entire thing. So I want to just hit approve, confirm that. So boom. Now, as you can see, I got my xTRANQ stake, and I'm currently earning TRANQ rewards, man. And it's 161 days until xTRANQ is redeemable. So we gotta wait that 6 months, but that's cool. We're gonna wait it out because, like I said, we seen what Compound did. Price is currently at $310, man. We're gonna see all time. So all time Compound started at $64 with a market cap. Right now, the market cap is at $1.8 billion, man. So I believe even if we just get a portion of that market cap, it's still good. Like I don't think we gotta be in the billions just yet. I mean, this project is still early, but we ain't got to necessarily be in the billions to make money in the project. Because think about it right now, think the total value is under 10 million total. So it's a lot of room to grow, man. So that's why I'm bullish on Tranquil Finance. I'm very bullish on it. And I like what the project is doing is being very smart on how to go about it without getting dumped on, and also providing value to the holders. So that's my video for today, man. Just going over Tranquil Finance, showing you guys how to participate in the ICO of it, and also just doing a quick little overview of what it is and how you can get invested in it. So if I added value today, man, if I added value today to you, make sure you go to the YouTube and subscribe, man. And also follow me on Twitter. That's how you get directly in contact with me. Enter in for that NFT giveaway. It's one more day tomorrow. We will be announcing the winner, so stay tuned. It's not too late to enter though, so go and enter today as soon as you see this video. I will leave my Twitter description link. I will leave my Twitter link in the description, man. So I'm Crypto Tro. That's my video for today. I'm out of here.